This video is sponsored by Sketchfab. Stick around to see how you can get high quality 3D models for free and also how you can join the new art contest that is going on right now on Sketchfab. Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is our weekly free giveaway and this week we have a couple of things that you guys will definitely want to take a look at. Starting off, we're looking at the folks at Action VFX. They've just currently announced that they're giving a snow effects pack. So this is a pack of 5 clips, which is pretty interesting, especially for those who are into VFX and you're looking for overlays and you're looking for snow stuff that you can throw on your scene. Then this is right here. So you could see that these are high quality things. They're shot on ProRes 1920 by 1080 and you also be getting them at 24 frames per second. They're quite organic stuff that you guys will definitely want to use, and for the most part, if you're looking for even way more stuff, the folks at Action VFX also have a couple more free stuff that you can throw into your scene and start creating some very nice effects. So all of this is going to be available just in case you like to pick it up with the link in the description. Now with that said, there is also some very nice stuff from Cubebrush this week. So this week on Cubebrush, we're looking at the Sci-Fi Revolver Plus Practice Kit, and this is made available by Elliot and it is a beautiful one. So this is a very high quality stuff for those who are into creating games, first-person shooters, you want to arm your character, or probably you want to see how this has been textured and worked on, then you can come through and get this currently for free. Speaking about more free things on Cubebrush, there's also the free ornament kit bash, which is now available. So this comes as both an IMM brush, a 4K alpha pack, and also a couple of ZBrush brushes. So for those who are into painting, sculpting, probably you want to add some extra floral details or, some ornament details on your models, then this is definitely one that you might want to consider checking out. The folks at Pyramid Studio have also made a couple more. So right here, you notice that we have the free ornament brush. There's also another one and another one right here. So all of these are available for you to grab and work with, and they are wonderful. And with that said, let's take a look at some things that are available on ArtStation. So this week on ArtStation, we found a couple of nice, interesting things which I believe you guys would love. So right here we have some hospital stuff. These are very nice. So, if you're into creating hospital scenes, this is lovely. And you think it ends here? No, Mina has actually made more stuff. So we go over to Mina's page and you notice that we have the part 1 and the part 2 of the hospital pack available. Go ahead and get this if you want it right now. And at the same time, there's also some basement stuff which is available, which you can grab for free. There is also a painted set of tools. If you're into creating painting stuff, you want to create a scene that actually represents someone making some paint, you can grab that. There's also these other one, but it's also worth knowing that the apps that this is available for are right here on the top. So these first two are available for Maya, and we also have this one that is available for Maya. We have this available for Blender, and also this is available for Blender. But at the same time, if you like to use this for any of the apps, you'd also notice that down here, FBX and OBJ files are also available. So just in case you like to use this, you can come through and grab it for yourself. Moving forward, we have some clothing. So almost every week we're getting, amazing clothing. But today we are seeing a vintage wedding dress, but this has to do with 2 fabric smart materials. And these are smart materials that you can use in Substance Painter. And of course, if you're looking for even more stuff, if you go over to Guzaid's page, you'd also notice that we have some more interesting things. Like right here, we have the ball gown, we have the mini dress, we have the free dress, which you can get as well. And you would also notice that the vintage wedding dress that we just talked about is available. This right here, just like Mina, you would notice what is available. Right here, we have the Marvelous file. Here we have the Substance file. Here we have the Marvelous file and also the Marvelous file. And these are available. And you might want to pick this up if you are into creating characters that require to dress in a ball gown or in mini dresses. And for those thinking about creating references, right now there is a free reference that you can pick up. So the free reference bundle that is made available by Rachel is right here. So this free reference bundle is currently available. So you might want to consider looking at this. This comes with 105 high resolution images. And we've actually talked about Rachel before. We talked about some of the nice things that Rachel has to offer. And if you're looking for even way more stuff, you might want to consider taking a look at Rachel's page and see some of the nice things that she has to offer right here. If you're looking for like the bundles, we have a couple of bundles right here. And in terms of products, you would find these ones available. So this is the free reference one. So in case you're looking for, a variety of different things just packed up together, probably you want to see a sample of what you'll be getting amongst all the other ones, then this is the right one that you should look at first before you choose to purchase any one from the store. And real quick, we have this other one, which is also free. So I sort of missed it earlier, but this one is free right now. You can grab that as well. These are free pose references as well, which is also really nice. And these might also come in pretty handy. So when we talk about references and poses, there's a free mail base mesh that is currently available right now. So if you do follow the newsletter, you probably got this when it arrived. So this was actually part of the newsletter last week. So just in case you haven't joined the newsletter, a link to the newsletter is going to be in the description so you can catch up with some of the cool and free stuff that is coming out every single week. So for those who like to get this is currently available and you can get it for free. It's available as both Blender, ZBrush, and also an OBJ file. And finally for the week, we are looking at Misc. Misc Puliero has a couple of nice stuff. So if you're into tutorials and you're thinking about how to create depth in Blender, this is a very good one. So there's a tutorial that actually teaches you how to do that. You'd also find another tutorial right here that shows you how to rotate your normal map in Blender, and this comes with a file as well. And of course, we have some skin shaders for those working with cycles. So these are very amazing stuff for those who like to take a look at this. And you can see that we have some very interesting visuals that just simply shows you what you'll be getting at the end of the day. And for sure, if you're looking for even more stuff, then you might want to consider checking out Sketchfab. Like we've mentioned severally, Sketchfab is an amazing place on the internet where you can buy and sell 3D models and at the same time download free 3D models. Something else that the folks at Sketchfab are always doing is to create contests and challenges. There's a new art contest going on, and the new art challenge is themed the Adventure Kit. So if you like to challenge yourself into creating some very impressive visuals that can also win you some beautiful prizes, both cash and value prizes, then links to this is going to be in the description. There's a couple of rules to be followed, and the contest is running from the 6th of June all through to the 4th of July 2022. And of course, if you're into downloading free stuff and you're looking for more free stuff, of course you can. So how you can download free stuff on Sketchfab is extremely simple. Go over to sketchfab.com, go over to Explore, go to Downloadables, and every single week there is a brand new download that you can pick and start working with. And you know, like the beautiful thing with Sketchfab is you can preview this right on your browser. Even before you hit the download button, you can already tell what you're getting, and you can choose to inspect this based off the material channels and also of the wireframe before you hit the download button. So this actually makes sense because at this point you already know what you're getting, and it's just one of those cool features that makes Sketchfab shine even more. So tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. For those who like to get any of this free stuff that we just mentioned, or probably you would like to join this challenge and also win some amazing prizes, links to this is going to be in the description. And at the same time, don't forget to join the newsletter so that you can catch up with all of the updates and news and also free stuff that comes out every single week. Tell me what you guys think about this, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.